If you've noticed that your morning wood isn't as strong, frequent, or reliable as it used to be, don't ignore it. Because that's not just about performance, it's your body's early signal that your circulation and hormone balance might need attention. And today, I'm going to share something simple but surprisingly effective, a natural oil that many men have used before bed to help bring back those strong, healthy morning erections. Now, before I explain what it is, let me say this clearly. This isn't a magic pill or some overnight miracle. But when used correctly, it can support better blood flow, reduce inflammation, and help your body restore what it's naturally designed to do. So, stay with me for a few minutes because this could be the simplest change you make this week that actually makes a difference. Let me ask you this. Have you ever had a stretch of time where you woke up without morning wood for days, maybe even weeks, and started wondering what happened? Be honest. Drop a comment below if you've noticed that change, because you're not alone. I talk with men every day who feel the same concern. And the good news is, in most cases, this is fixable. Now, let's talk about the oil I recommend. It's extra virgin olive oil, one of the most heart-healthy and testosterone-supportive oils you can take. Here's why it matters. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which help protect your blood vessels from oxidative stress. And as a urologist, I can tell you, good circulation equals better erections. Every single morning erection is basically a test of your vascular health. When your arteries are flexible, your blood pressure is balanced, and your nitric oxide levels are strong, your body responds naturally overnight. Here's how to use it the right way. Take about 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil before bed. Not heated, not mixed, just plain. You can take it directly or mix it into a small amount of warm water or herbal tea. This helps your body absorb its healthy fats and compounds while you sleep. Over time, it can support better hormone balance and improved vascular elasticity. You might be wondering, why before bed? Because that's when your body goes into repair mode. Your blood vessels, your hormones, your brain, all of them regenerate during deep sleep. And giving your body this source of healthy monounsaturated fat helps maintain testosterone levels and reduce inflammation, which are both key factors for male performance. But remember, this isn't just about one oil. It's about creating a system that supports your male health from the inside out. That means staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet with fewer processed oils, moving your body daily, and managing stress. Chronic stress and poor sleep are 2 of the biggest killers of morning wood. If you stay up late scrolling or drinking alcohol before bed, you're blocking the very hormones that keep your drive alive. I've seen men in their 40s, 50s, and even 60s regain healthy morning erections simply by improving their sleep quality, getting 30 minutes of exercise a day, and taking olive oil at night. Within a few weeks, their confidence comes back, their energy rises, and they start feeling like themselves again. If you want to take this one step further, pair your nightly olive oil with foods that naturally boost nitric oxide, like beets, spinach, pomegranate, and garlic. These help open up your blood vessels and improve oxygen flow to every organ, including the one that matters most for your morning performance. And please, don't feel embarrassed or ashamed if you've been struggling. It doesn't mean you're broken or past your prime. It's just a sign that your body is asking for care. Think of it like your body's check engine light. It's not there to shame you. It's there to guide you toward balance again. So tonight, before you go to bed, grab a tablespoon of olive oil, take it slowly, and remind yourself. You're investing in your long-term vitality. Give it a couple of weeks and see how your body responds. Combine it with better sleep, less stress, and a few minutes of deep breathing before bed. You might be surprised by how quickly your mornings start to change. Your body wants to work for you. You just have to give it the right fuel. If this message helped you or gave you hope, share it with someone who might need it. And tell me in the comments, are you going to try the olive oil trick tonight? I'm here to help you reclaim your health, your confidence, and your strength, one simple natural step at a time.